Hi, and welcome to CrowdParty. Today, I'm going to show you how to host a CrowdParty game. The first thing you'd want to do is click on Host a Game. You can either make your own, or choose one of our featured games and rooms. Let's go ahead and do that. You can host one of our seasonal content, a game from our game catalog, or host using our featured rooms. Let's go ahead and host my favorite, the Year 2020 game. You can go ahead and customize your game by increasing or decreasing the number of rounds, and by toggling the different game modes. But I'm going to keep it as is. Let's go ahead and play. This goes ahead and creates a host view for us. Now, let's go ahead and switch over to our video conferencing provider. In this case, I'm using Zoom. All I have to do is share my screen, make sure I'm sharing the computer sound, and then hit share. Now everybody on the call can see the host screen. In terms of players, you can go ahead and copy the link to the clipboard and send that to the chat, or players can go ahead and scan the QR code using their mobile devices or join with the PIN code. I'm going to go ahead and join with the PIN code on this mobile device. As you can see, we now have one player. Let's go ahead and add a few more players. Now that we have 3 players, it's time to get started. Go ahead and press play. Once everybody's ready, press start. For a better experience, as a host, make sure you announce the questions as they appear on the screen, like so. Which one wasn't Kobe Bryant's nickname? The 8th wonder of the world, Black Mamba, Cobra, or Kobe-1 Kenobi? Next round, Terry's favorite 2020 artist, Dua Lipa, Vin Diesel, or The Weeknd. Alright, here's your last round. Would you rather make the best movie of all time, or make the best album of all time? I don't know about you, but I'd rather make the best movie of all time. And there you have it. Have fun!